Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I am back again with another video, and I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I can't even remember when, but life just gets in the way sometimes, and that's how it is. But I am trying to get back on YouTube like consistently, but we'll see how that goes. I missed doing this so much, like I think after 3 months things will be a bit better. After I finish doing my internship, things would have slowed down a little bit. So yeah, so you'll be seeing more of this face. But anywho guys, I was scrolling on TikTok the other day and I came across this perfume once again, okay? And I was like, you know what, I want to get my hands on this. Like, I heard some positives and I had some negative reviews, but I was like, you know what, from what I'm hearing and the scent profile, this sounds like the perfume for me. So I went on and I did a blind buy, and guys, this perfume is not cheap, okay? But I was like, you know what, a girl's gotta treat herself. A girl's gotta treat herself, okay? So I went and I bought a blind buy, and there was a lot of people saying, you know what, maybe it's better testing this perfume out before you actually buy it, and I didn't listen to them. So here it is. This is Xerjoff Erba Pura, and I got it. I was like, oh my goodness, look at this, look at this. Like, this packaging is just everything, and the way it feels as well, it's just so smooth. It has that velvet texture to it. I haven't been with it for that long, and the bottle already has like a few scratches on it and stuff like that. So it is a very fragile coating around the bottle. I think in my head I was expecting something that was going to be mind-blowing, but I have to say one mind-blowing thing about it is the projection and the longevity as well. The projection is like beast mode projection, okay? And I love that, and that is what I was looking for in my next perfume. I need more beast mode perfumes, like something you could smell a mile away, you know, and something that's long lasting. Like, that is what I need in my perfume collection, and this ticks those boxes. I'm not gonna argue with that. Now, it is a fruity fragrance, which I bloody love. I think most of my fragrances that I have lean more to floral fragrances, so this is what I needed in my fragrance collection, that fruity fragrance. This is it, and it just smells fresh as well. So it's fruity, fresh, a little bit musky. So this fragrance has notes of orange, bergamot, lemon, and white musk, as well as vanilla and amber. There's a lot of people that, you know, say that this is a little bit too synthetic and it smells like a shampoo, like a herbal essence shampoo. To me, it does smell fresh. Maybe that's what it is, like, you know, that freshness that you would get from like a fruity shampoo. And I wouldn't say that it's sickeningly sweet. I've smelled like sweeter fragrances. I wouldn't say this is the most sweetest fragrance. I think it's sweet, but it's just the right amount of sweet. Like, it's not sickeningly sweet. I would say that this fragrance is another easy to love fragrance. Like, it's not an unusual scent, you know, like, it's not a hard to like scent. It's very, I don't want to say generic, but when it comes to fruity fragrances, it's not that complex. It's not very simple, but it's not, you know, mind-blowing complex, like, oh my gosh, this is out of the world fragrance. Like, it's just normal, okay? Now, I have to say that it's not what I expected. Like, I expected something that would blow my mind, but look, like I said, it definitely ticks off, you know, the longevity and the projection. I have to say that, yeah, that's it. I think when I initially wore it, I wore it sometime in the morning, and at nighttime I could still smell it. Like, I didn't even have to come this close. Like, it was projecting so good. unlike my other fragrances. I was like, this is what I needed. This is what I needed. And I would recommend it if you like your fruity fragrances, and if you want a fragrance that projects well and that lasts a long time as well. If you need that in your life, this is definitely the fragrance, so go get it. And look, the bottle is beautiful, it's amazing, it feels like luxury in a bottle, and for the money that you pay for. Okay, if you were to ask me, is it worth it for like what I had to pay? Is it worth it? No. So don't blind buy it. If you're thinking about blind buying it, don't do it like I did. You know, when you watch things and watch all these reviews and you just make up all these ideas in your head and you have this big huge expectation of what it's meant to be and what it's gonna smell like, and then when you get it, you're just like, it does not meet my expectations. So that's my reaction. But definitely give it a test first and before you buy it. Yeah. Alright guys, well, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you again in my next video. Yeah, I don't really have much to say, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I can't wait to see you again in my next video. See you later.